Here is a very short problem we are working out on tax liability. Yes, welcome to the class. So here the total income of the assessee is given. LTCG and lottery incomes were included in that particular amount. So based on this information, we are supposed to calculate the tax liability of the assessee. Now here in previous class, I have told you about the tax rates which are applicable at present. So now in this problem, here there's no clarity about the age of the assessee. So when there's no clarity about the age of the assessee, we are considering it that he is a normal assessee. When he is a normal assessee, it is income is exempt for him up to 2,50,000. So from 2,50,000 to next 5 lakh, that means next 2,50,000 rupees are what happens for that is it is uh, taxable at 5%. It is taxable at 5%, whereas above that 5 lakh to 10 lakh taxable at 20%, above 10 lakh it is 30%. So here the total income is 3,82,000, which includes LTCG and lotteries 1. So now one thing you have to remember always, for LTCGs, STCGs and casual incomes, there are special tax rates. For LTCG it is 20%, for STCG it is 15%, and for casual income like lotteries, card games, for all these things it is you can see there in the solution it is 30%. Now we'll see to the solution. So problem total income is there, LTCG and STCG is included in this income. We have to calculate tax liability. I told you about the tax liability. Here the assessee's age is not there, so he is a normal assessee. So up to 2,50,000 it is exempt. Next to 2,50,000, in this sense 2,50,000 to 5 lakh it is 5%, 5 to 10 lakh 20%, 10 lakh and above 30%. These rules you have to remember. Apart from that, special rates are there: LTCG 20%, STCG 15%, casual income 30%. So these are the things. So now we'll see to the solution. At the beginning, in the first stage, we are supposed to calculate the income for lotteries separately. One is 50,000, one is 28,000. Lotteries it is 50,000, we have to calculate at 30%. For LTCG it is 20% on the amount 28,000. So we'll calculate, and these are the special rates for us. Yeah, after calculating special rates, we are supposed to exclude this amount from the total amount, and for the balance income we are supposed to calculate the tax. So our total income is 3,82,000. 3,82,000. We have to minus the amount of income for which already tax is levied. One is casual income, that is lotteries 50,000, plus one and minus one more is there 28,000. So that also we are deducting. So we will get a amount of rupees 3,04,000. 3,04,000 we are getting. So for this 3,04,000 we are supposed to levy tax now. So remaining balance is 3,04,000. Now we are supposed to calculate the things. Now when you are seeing here, one thing it is to you have to make it clear that one thing it is to be it should be clear that on this amount we are levying tax. First 2,50,000 is exempt from tax. There is no tax for that. Now for first 2,50,000 is exempt means we have to deduct that 2,50,000. 2,50,000 will deduct. So when you are deducting, you will get 54,000. So this 54,000, on that 5% we are supposed to calculate. That is the second slab, 5% slab. When you calculate, you will get 2,700. So 2,700, we are writing it in outer column. You are doing the total. When you are doing the total, earlier tax and this tax, will get the total tax. On this total tax, on this total tax, calculate cess, that is secondary and higher education. Now here, total income till now, whatever we have calculated, we have to consider first, and 5,000, so is equal to 23,330 we will get. On that 3% cess we are supposed to calculate. 3% cess we have to calculate. So when you are calculating 3% cess, you will get 699. So on this amount 699 we calculate, will do the total, and the final amount of is our tax liability, and this is the amount which is supposed to be payable to the authorities. So this is what you have to consider. So again I'll tell you, total income is 3,82,000. Out of that, two special incomes, one is LTCG, 20% tax for that, STCG 30% tax for that. We considered those things. From total income we deducted the amount of this 50,000 and 28,000. We got 3,04,000. First 2,50,000 out of 3,04,000 is exempt. Remaining amount will be 54. It is taxed at 5%. Amount will come up to 2,700. We are supposed to do the total of the tax liability. On that, there is cess means it is a tax on tax. That tax we have calculated and we added it to the final answer. So this will be our final answer. So understand the problem. If you have doubt, you can ask. Thank you.